Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. In here, I'm going to show you how you can catch the blobfish in Fish It Roblox. So what you need to do in here, first you need to make sure that you have the diving gear equipped and just descend to the Lost Isle and go to the treasure hole like this, and you can just go down again and go inside the go to the top and go inside to the treasure room. So this is where you can get the blobfish. The blobfish is one of the mythic catch in the Lost Isle, and you can just use your best rod and bait. I'm using element rod with the singularity bait combo. You can also use a luck potion or luck totem if needed. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.